Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use TanStack Query. First, let's get it set up. TanStack Query is a powerful library for managing server state in your applications. It handles data fetching, caching, synchronization, and updates, making your code cleaner and more efficient. You can easily install it using npm install at tanstack/React Query or yarn add at tanstack/React Query. This foundational step prepares your project for robust data management. Now, let's dive into fetching data using the useQuery hook. This is the core of TanStack Query for retrieving information. You provide a unique query key, which is typically an array, and an asynchronous function that fetches your data. TanStack Query then manages the loading, error, and success states for you, automatically caching the results. This approach significantly streamlines your data fetching logic, making it much more manageable. When you need to modify data on your server, useMutation is your go-to hook. It's perfect for operations like creating new items, updating existing ones, or deleting records. You get access to a mutate function to trigger your server call, along with onSuccess and on-error callbacks for handling responses. Crucially, remember to invalidate related queries after a successful mutation to ensure your UI reflects the latest server state. Let's explore some advanced features that enhance user experience and development. Optimistic updates allow your UI to respond instantly to user actions, assuming the server request will succeed, then reverting if it fails. This creates a much smoother feel. Also, don't forget the TanStack Query DevTools. They are an invaluable resource for inspecting your cache, mutations, and overall query state, making debugging significantly easier and faster.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.